We focus on the yung what Pastor Kibuloy did to them during their minor age, like 12-year-old up to date, and we want to know the exact location of Pastor Kibuloy. Yan yung main reason why we try to find them. Apart from the equipment, the state-of-the-art equipment na introduce, we need human for us to analyze the situation. So they gave us their own analysis na Pastor Kibuloy was there. Well, dalawa ang nagbigay ng interview na they were sexually molested. Yung remaining 3, they're still adamant, but on the side they said they're part of that. Kami po ang magbibigay ng security sa inyo. We will give you a safe house, and we will may programa ang gobyerno po para diyan, and mag-usap tayo kung hanggang saan yung gusto nyong seguridad. So para makapag-contribute kayo at para ma-fit natin kung ano ang gusto nyong security measures to be given to you. We have examined their statements. We have sent their statements sa mga magbabalidate here and abroad, at they said it's authentic. Some of them are foreigners and some of them are beautiful Pinay. Lahat ng mga members of the pastoral, sasabihin natin they're beautiful angels, molested by Kibuloy himself. So that's the result of our communication with them. Mga kababayan, ito na yung best time ninyo na lumabas, kasi alam naman ho ninyo na naaresto na po si Pastor Kibuloy and others. So there's no reason sa inyo na maging matakot pa. We understand na yung trauma na naibigay sa inyo for the past years, but this is your best time na makipagtulungan po sa amin. Hindi na namin i-expound pa na kung gaano kami kaseryoso dito sa laban na ito. Sa tingin ko, nakita naman ninyo for the last 16 years how serious we were in trying to arrest the pastor himself.
16 days.
16 days. I'm sorry, 16 days. So I think that will convince you na siguro. Ang dami nang nangyari sa amin. We were condemned, we were maligned, but despite of all those things na thrown against the policemen, nandyan pa rin kami. So nakita nyo how determined we were, and we are up to date.